Today we're going to talk about FCEL, fuel cells energy, and it has just broken a major pattern, and it's even broken a major resistance. So we're going to talk about that. I want to highlight this for you so that you can pay attention to it. Remember why we're here, paying attention to the best place to grow your portfolio. So we're going to talk about all that after the intro. What's up, guys? This is JC and welcome to the Wealth Engineering channel. The more you pay attention to, the more aware you become. And in this channel, we pay attention to stocks, crypto, real estate, and business to find the best place to grow your portfolio. If this is something that interests you, make sure you go bullish on the like button, subscribe, and click that bell. I want to thank all my new subscribers and new viewers. Thank you for your support. And I also want to thank everyone who signed up to the Technical Investor course. I've been receiving some private message from you, and it's very encouraging to see this. It means that you're active, you're looking to learn, and that really motivates me to make more contents for you and answer you as well. So if you are listening to this and you are one of my students, thank you for your efforts, and I want to encourage you to message me more often. Remember, it is imperative that we learn how to manage our money, because once we learn how to manage our money, we can take control of our true wealth, which is our time and our freedom. And one of the best places to put your money this year was in green technologies. Now, the question is, how do you know which stock to choose, which industry to focus on, and more importantly, when do you buy and when do you sell? This is something that we talk at length on the Technical Investor course. If you're new watching this, make sure you go on the link in the description below. We talk about macroeconomy, personal finance, everything you need to know about trading, how to make, keep, multiply your money. And I even have bonus courses, and I'm going to be adding 2 extra courses by the end of this week. So make sure you tune in for that. Click on the link in the description below. With Black Friday right now, the prices are 70% off. I have a huge discount on this course right now, so take advantage of that. I talked about FCEL before. It's one of my favorite stocks. I showed you how I took an initial investment of $500 and turned it into $20,000. I'll leave this video up there, and there is a possible way that you can even make more money from this stock. So this is going to be one of my major holds for 2021. I'll make a separate video about that, so make sure you like and subscribe on this video to stay tuned. But I wanted to highlight this for you. Last week, we had a major event happen for fuel cell energy, and it's not any big news, but it's mostly on the chart. We had this ascending wedge that was pointing up. I was expecting it. We were going to be challenging this, but somehow the price automatically curved, and we have officially broken this pattern. More importantly, we are also broken a major resistance for FCEL. Now this green line right here, this is a major resistance, and we have blast through it. Now the important thing here is we also validated this resistance as a new support, and for 3 days in a row the price action was fluctuating right above this resistance, which is now become support. And then after 3 days it started to pump again. Today we had a beautiful candle. The prices went all the way from $6 to $8.55. This is amazing pump on a stock market, and it's possible that we might even go to $10 by tomorrow or Wednesday. So here I have my take profit targets for the year. So I'm not expecting it to reach this right away in 1 year. Just like Plug, the other fuel cell company in the stock market, we may see some price action around $20. And if that's the case, and if we break this resistance and it becomes new support after $10, then the chances to see $20 are very likely. I mentioned this on the channel before. Add this to your watch list. Today is a very bullish day for FCELs, and I believe that it's going to keep pumping like this for the next year. If we're looking at the indicators right now, on a daily chart, it's starting to be very overextended. So look at this right here. That was the previous high on the RSI, and we even crossed that, and it's looking straight vertical. It's not even curving yet, so we're still in for another pump. Now here's the other interesting thing. You look at it on a daily and it looks super overextended. But if you look at it on a monthly, it's a different story. We're actually at the bottom. we're actually just flirting with the oversold area. So this stock right now is actually an undervalued stocks. If you have checked my course, you know exactly how I feel about this pattern right here. Make sure you check this out and look at the monthly candle as a whole. It's one of the most bullish candle that we have seen. The chances for us to go $20 by 6 months or even 9 months from now are very likely. So pay attention to this, put this in your watch list. I also love to say this. We have been under the EMA 21, and this is EMA 21 monthly. Since 2014, we have been operating below the EMA 21. And this month right here, the price have pumped with this giant resistance that was broken. The price actions are above the EMA 21. This is extremely bullish for FCEL. I repeat, this is extremely bullish for FCEL. I recommend you to add this to your portfolio. Definitely add this, because even if we have a small correction, it's going to be last couple days and it's going to be pumping all over again, because this is extremely bullish. It has not been bullish like this since 2014. And look at this again. Look at this. The prices are barely starting to pump. It has to go all the way there. All right? All the way there. I'm not going to add more. Make sure you sign up to the course, because you're going to understand this a lot more. You're going to know exactly when to sell, when to buy more. You're going to know how to ride this bull run. And this is, I've been paying attention to this stock for a very long time. Make sure you like and subscribe, because in this channel, we'll be paying attention to the entire hydrogen industry as a whole. I am a very big fan of clean energy, especially Tesla's electric cars, as well as hydrogen, because they make me a lot of money. But I wanted to show you this because this is very exciting. This is all I had ready for you today. We'll talk on the next video.